together. O mighty threefold flame of light, thou gift of God so pure, take my thoughts and energy and make them all secure. Under bond of brotherhood and understanding fair, set thee forth unto my soul the gift of holy prayer. Communication strands of love, how they woo by heaven's law, a tender blessing for the good, releasing holy awe, that draws me near the throne of grace to now behold thy sacred face, and without fear dispense aright the passions of pure God delight, which set me free from all that's been the sinful nature of all men. Christ raised me to self-mastery, the living passion of the free. Determination now alive, lift me ever to the skies. I am, enfolding life and being all, with the God command, amen, that shatters human pall. I am, the free, no bondage holds me back. I am the fullness of love's law, supplying every lack. And consecration in full measure is my will and God's own pleasure. Saint Germain and Jesus dear, hold my hand with Morius here, and let the love of Mary then be the wings to raise all men, until they all unite in love to serve that purpose from above, that comes to earth at any hour, responding to the call of power. Send thy shining wisdom then, that is God's expanded for all men. I thank thee and I accept this done right now with full power. I am this done right now with full power. This is the full manifestation of the law of love that raises me to my eternal victory, now and forever.